Hello, this is how to add new project under the project management module. Go to project, click right here. This is the dashboard, the project dashboard to see everything that's happening in your project management software. Here you go to new project, click on it. Okay, right here you're going to enter the information needed. So let's do that together. You can type and select the name of your customer, select the start date, select if it's billable or not, the project name, let's say Yankees Duplex, duration is monthly. You can write the project overview. Okay, almost done. So for the purpose of this training, we will keep it short, but you can write any overview of the project. It's just to set out the things that you'll be doing, the overall thing, the summary of the project you're doing. So you can also select the date, completion date, that's end date. So I'm going with 17th of December. The status of the project is new, of course. We are creating a new project. Then project access, you can decide to make it private or public. I clicked private. Then when you're done with everything, you click on create project. Right here, your project has been successfully created. Click on OK. If you want to view the project created or the previous one, to click on view project. Okay. So right here, you're seeing a list of projects that you have created over time. So just in case you want to view the projects you have at hand or to track any project, you come here and do that. This is new, this is progress, done, cancelled, and suspended. So you can select any project you want and get the details from here. Thank you for watching this video.